Hello guys, this is Radar China, and today I will share my finding with you that I really didn't took for granted. So, did you know USB cables also greatly impact charging times of your devices? There is not only the charger that is important. I have my gadget to measure USB port current and voltage, so I have some different USB cables, and let's do some measurements and see what happens. So here is my testing equipment. We have a 2 amp charger here. So first let's test it with the high quality cable, which is actually two-sided, so it is pretty high quality, and let's see what we get. So we get 1.55 amp. That is pretty decent. So, as we see, charging cables have a great impact on charging performance. So, if you're in a hurry, make sure you're using a high quality USB cable or the one you get with the charger. So, I hope you found this video interesting, and as always, have a great day.